So my name is Jeremy Sells. I'm the Information Technology and Automation Instructor at the Roosevelt campus at Uintah Basin Technical College.
Hello, I'm Damien Harding, and I'm a student of Uintah Basin Technical College in the IT Support Technician program.
Perfect. Okay, so Jeremy, the first question is for you. Tell us a few basics of your program. What is your program all about?
So the basics of the IT Support Technician program is to help students understand the basics of computers, how they operate, and how they can work on them, fix them, and prepare them for the help desk jobs that are the most common entry-level positions.
Okay, Brendan, what got you excited about taking the IT Support Technician program? What's your why on coming to school here?
Mainly just because I love computers, and when I saw this institution offered a technician program just to be able to work with computers, I just immediately leapt on that chance because I always loved them, always wanted to work with them, always seemed like a field I would be very interested in. So I was just able to see that class on the little docket in my freshman year, and I was able to just take the class.
Perfect. Okay, Jeremy, what are some ways your students doing well in your program?
So how Damien's done in the class and how he's his struggles and his strengths. It started out rough, but he's persevered, he's pushed through, he's taken time, he's learned, he's always learning new things, he's pushing himself further than what he needs to for the program. I mean, he's a cybersecurity guy, he wants to be in cybersecurity, but he needs sometimes just take that step back. But when he's in the IT support, he's done really well. He's really good at it. He's helped other students. It's a blessing to have a student like him in the class.
Awesome, perfect. Hey, Damien, next question. What are some things you've enjoyed about your instructor and program?
Well, I'm going to be real honest. Jeremy's probably the best instructor I've had, best teacher I've had for numerous reasons. He's able to actually keep me on track while providing a level of entertainment in the class that it's just really nice to have. To have a teacher who knows when it's okay to be fun with the people who are in the class, and that sometimes you just need that little push to be, hey, you have this work, you need to finish this, please finish this.
What are your hopes for your student after graduation?
So my hopes for Damien after he graduates is that he continues his education. I know he's looking at possible colleges. He's looking to go into cybersecurity. He wants to be that frontline guy who goes in, is either protecting other networks or he's testing networks so he can let people know what their deficiencies are and what they need to do to fix it. So I'm excited for what his career brings him.
Perfect. Okay, Damien, your last question is, what are some of your goals and dreams after graduation?
My goals and dreams after graduation. After graduating, I, again, just want to go into a cybersecurity related field. I don't really mind what that field is, whether it be risk assessment, hardening systems, penetration testing, all that fun stuff. I just want to go into a field related to cybersecurity because it's something that deeply interests me, and I've firsthand seen the effects of what bad cybersecurity can do. And I'd like to be a person that prevents that from happening.
Experience the power of technical education.